Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review of the Lansinoh breast pump. Guys, have been asking a lot about the breast pump that I use. I'm so late for work. I'm trying to shoot this video just before I get to work. This is it. This pump, I got it from Amazon on Black Friday. During the Black November month sale. If you can be able to make your purchases of such stuff during that time on the Crazy Monday sales, you'll get them at a cheaper rate. I got it at half price at $80 and I had it shipped to me here in Kenya. Locally it's very expensive. It's around 20 to 30,000. So if you're able to get it from Amazon, it's going to work well for you, especially if you can get a hold of these offers that come through, like the Black Friday, Crazy Monday offers. So guys, let's get to reviewing this product. Now I have two pumps. I have the manual Medela pump, a single one, and then I have the Lansinoh electric pump. I'll share with you the benefits that come with using this pump. I'm going to show you how to assemble the parts, but before I do that, I'd like to show you what it contains. If you can see, it comes with a bag, a very lightweight bag that you can use to put your parts in and just throw at the back of your car. It also comes with this motor. This is what does all the work, and comes with this tubing, that the double parts where you put your bottles here. And then with this tubing, you can be able to do a single breast pump. You can use one bottle and pump from one breast. So what you do, you remove this tubing and just put this in, the stopper in, so that air doesn't get in, and then the suction can continue. So you put one bottle here, you assemble and put the one bottle, and then you can be able to pump with pump from one breast. Now this motor, you can be able to use an electric, you can use it with an electric socket, or you can use batteries at the back. It has a space where you can put batteries at the back. I can show you. Oopsie. I'd put batteries at the back when I was pumping at work. So guys, you can use batteries if you're not able to get a source of power. So yeah. Now this motor has three pumping styles, as indicated up here, and then it has two phase technology that helps with let down and expression modes. And then again, it has eight levels of suction, so you can be able to adjust with the plus button here, and the minus one you can be able to adjust. It has 8 levels, so it's very comfortable for you. It also comes with 2 bottles. Right now I have one, but this is a bottle that is compatible with the breast pump. The ones that it comes with are normally 150 ml, 150 to 120 ml. I'll show you later how it looks like, but this is one of the bottles that you can use with the pump. It also comes with these cups, 2 of them, because the bottles are 2. Comes with 2 teats and 2 bases for the teats. It comes with 2 cups that you can close and store your milk in the fridge with. It comes with this charger if you're planning to use, if you have a socket and you're planning to pump using electricity. It also comes with this. This is what is used to pump with. They're normally separate. It comes with this flannel and this top part, the suction bit, the rubber one, and now this base that you put the flange in. These small things that I use to pass the milk through, if you can see. So they come in 2s for the 2 bottles. Now in this pack, I got, they gifted me 2 storage bags, but I got to buy my own. This is how the storage bags look like. You can pump directly into the storage bag and freeze them. You don't have to pump to the bottle. So guys, I'll show you how to assemble these parts. You take the motor. The motor has this tubing that you're going to attach your bottles to. This one has just one, but then I'll put the second tubing so that you can put 2 bottles, or alternatively let me just use this one so I can demonstrate how to assemble it. And then this is what you plug into your socket. Now unfortunately the pins are only friendly in the UK and the US, I think. So I got myself an adapter, a travel adapter, where I can plug it in and put this on the socket here, and then you plug the cable here. Yeah, if you're using batteries, you need to skip this step. You do not need this step. So this is for people who are using electricity. Then with the tubing here, take a bottle. If you're using one, at this moment I'm going to use one. Take a bottle, open up if it's closed. Sorry. Now you need to assemble these parts one by one. You have this, and then there's this white thing that you put down here that releases the milk from up till down. There's a flannel, and then there's this suction, rubber suction thing. Then this is what you connect your tubing to. Yeah. So connect this to the bottle, seal it nicely, make sure it's tight. Put the tubing in, make sure it's squeezed in completely, and that's it, guys. Then you switch it on, it pumps, get it to your boob. If you have a pumping bra, you just wear the bra and just put it there. It's going to hang and then pump throughout the time. So when you're done, remove this part. Take your seal your container, store it in the fridge. If you're going to use storage bags, this is how you use it. The same part that we had assembled, take the storage bag, put it in like so, squeeze this part in the paper, and you're good to go. This is it. It's sealed nicely. There's not going to be air that's going to enter inside. It's compatible with this storage bags. So you put it in, pump until you get the exact amount that you feed in the baby with, and then you remove it, seal it nicely, make sure it runs all the way. Then you label with the date and the volume that you've pumped, the name and the time. Then you freeze it. You freeze it like this. Don't freeze it like this, so that when you freeze it, when it's frozen, it's going to be flat. Then you can store it standing. I'll show you how to do that later. Now guys, I'd like to share the advantages of this pump. This pump is really nice. I've not used, I've used the Medela manual pump, but I've not used an electric pump, any other electric pump. Though from the reviews that I got from other videos on YouTube, I chose to go this way. Now this pump is affordable, to many people, if you're going to use the option that I explained to you guys. If you're going to buy it locally, it's around 20 to 30,000, so which is a bit costly for most moms around. But then it has so many advantages which you can consider, compared to the other pumps. Now this pump is good because you can use it with a storage bag, and you don't need to use a bottle, so you can just pump directly to the storage bag. Another thing is that the flange, it's called the flange, yeah, it has rubber around, so it's very comfortable for your boobs, for the nipple area while the suction is going on. Another thing is that it's very straightforward, it's not complicated. Once you know how to assemble it and the instructions are very clear on the box, it's very easy to work with, and you can work fast. You don't have to to assemble so many parts to do so. Another advantage is that this tubing is very hygienic, because it's just used to pass air milk doesn't go through the tubing, so you don't have to worry about milk getting through the tubing and you have to clean through, and then there's going to be mold and all that. It's very hygienic because it's just air that passes through here, and this rubber thing is what helps with milk not to help with milk not going back to the tube. Yeah, so this is very hygienic compared to other pumps. There's a pump, I don't know if it's the Avent one, that has that the milk passes through the tube. That's very difficult to clean, guys, you know that. So another advantage is you can use it with a socket if there's electricity. If there's no electricity, you can use batteries. If you're going to pump outdoors, you use batteries, so it's very convenient in that case. And then it's lightweight, you can carry with you anywhere. You can put it in your handbag. You just need to carry now the motor with your batteries and such. You can just carry one bottle and you're good to go, or maybe 2 bottles and 2 storage bags to, if you have a fridge at work or wherever you're going. If there's going to be a fridge to freeze it, you can carry the storage bags instead of the bottles. But then sometimes it's good to use the bottles because sometimes you just get space in the fridge, you don't get space in the freezers in people's homes or at work, so it's good to prepare yourself. But get one thing to note is that it's very lightweight. You get a lightweight bag as well, so you can carry with you anywhere. Now another advantage is that you can express from one boob. As you can see, guys, with this tubing you can just use one side, pump from one boob, breastfeed with the other boob. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe and like, comment on the section below. Thank you guys for your time. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.